Welcome to our roundup of the best electric fireplaces of 2026, stylish, efficient, and cozy heaters that bring warmth and ambience to your home without the hassle of traditional wood or gas fireplaces. Whether you're looking to upgrade your living room, add comfort to a bedroom, or create a cozy reading nook, an electric fireplace is an excellent choice. These modern units offer adjustable heat, realistic flame effects, remote control operation, and easy installation, all while being safe, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Today, we've selected some of the top electric fireplaces based on heating performance, design, ease of use, feature set, and overall value. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals before deciding. Let's get started. Starting off with the Real Smart electric fireplace heater. This model blends aesthetic appeal with reliable heating performance, making it a great choice for those who want both style and substance. It typically features a sleek design with adjustable flame effects and heat output settings, so you can tailor the ambience and warmth to your preference. Whether you're curling up with a book on a chilly evening or entertaining guests in your living room, this fireplace heater provides a warm, inviting glow that feels natural and comfortable. Many users appreciate the easy remote control operation and quiet heating performance, which helps create a relaxing environment without noise or fuss. While it may not be the largest unit on the market, the Real Smart electric fireplace heater offers a balanced mix of functionality, comfort, and style. Next up is the electric 1500W fireplace stove, a powerful and versatile option designed to heat medium-sized rooms efficiently. With up to 1,500 watts of heating power, this electric fireplace stove delivers quick, consistent warmth that's ideal for living rooms, dens, or loft spaces. Its traditional stove-style design gives a classic look that works well with many decor styles, while the adjustable thermostat and multiple flame settings make it easy to customize your comfort level. Users frequently note how effective it is as a supplemental heat source during cold months, and how easy it is to install without professional help. If you're seeking a dependable heater with a bit of classic charm and strong performance, the electric 1500W fireplace stove is worth a close look. Moving into larger spatial coverage, the Uhumi 50-inch electric fireplace brings both dramatic visual impact and dependable heating power to your home. With its wide format, this model creates a striking focal point in any room, from living rooms and family spaces to open-plan homes where style matters just as much as function. Its adjustable flame effects and heat levels let you choose the atmosphere you want, from subtle glowing embers to bold, vibrant flames. Users love the broad viewing area and modern aesthetic, which often includes color-changing flame options and LED lighting effects that add depth and ambience. While larger units require more wall space, the Uhumi 50-inch electric fireplace excels at combining visual appeal with efficient heating for bigger rooms. Stepping up in convenience and cozy style, the Zafro electric fireplace stove offers a warm, inviting aesthetic with customizable settings that cater to comfort and ambience. This fireplace stove typically features a cabin-inspired design that blends well with rustic, traditional, or transitional decor. Adjustable heat output, remote control access, and multiple flame effects help create a comfortable environment without the need for logs, chimneys, or extra ventilation. Users often praise how easy it is to set up right out of the box and how effective it performs as a supplemental heat source in colder months. Whether you're updating a den, bedroom, or guest room, the Zafro electric fireplace stove delivers both style and warmth in one attractive package. Taking the top spot this year is the Turbo TS17 compact electric fireplace, our favorite choice for blending performance, size, and design versatility. This compact electric fireplace is ideal for smaller spaces or rooms where you want cozy warmth without a bulky installation. Its efficient heating element provides consistent heat that quickly brings a relaxing temperature to bedrooms, apartments, offices, or intimate living spaces. The flame effects are realistic and soothing, creating a natural fireplace ambience that elevates your decor while providing functional warmth. Users consistently commend the Turbo TS17 compact electric fireplace for its ease of use. Many models include a remote control and multiple heat and flame settings, so you can adjust the experience without leaving your seat. Its compact footprint and sleek profile make it easy to place on a shelf, tabletop, or entertainment console without dominating the room. While larger units may provide more visual drama, This compact fireplace shines by offering dependable performance and flexible placement options that work in a wide range of rooms and styles. All of these electric fireplaces serve different needs and spaces. The Real Smart electric fireplace heater and electric 1500W fireplace stove are excellent choices for everyday warmth with style. The Uhumi 50-inch electric fireplace makes a bold design statement for larger rooms. The Zafro electric fireplace stove delivers rustic charm with effective heat. And the Turbo TS17 compact electric fireplace combines efficient performance with versatility and easy placement, making it our top pick for most users. That wraps up our list of the best electric fireplaces of 2026. Whether you're seeking style, warmth, ambience, or all of the above, there's a perfect choice here for your home and budget. Let us know in the comments which electric fireplace you'd choose, or if you already own one of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for current deals and grab the best electric fireplace for your cozy setup today.